Hare Krishna, Namaste. Chapter 15 is entitled as Purushottama Vidya, Purushottama Yogam. Sloka 14. Ahaṁ vaiśvānaro bhūtvā prāṇināṁ deham āśritaḥ prāṇāpāna-samāyuktaḥ pacāmy annaṁ catur-vidham. In the 12th sloka, Krishna said, the effulgence of the sun, moon, fire, which illumines the whole universe, is mine. Next, in the 13th sloka, Krishna said, entering the earth, I sustain all the beings through my unhindered power. I become the moon and thereby supply the juice of life to all vegetables. And in today's sloka, Krishna states that the ability of the fire to digest is also due to his grace. Let's learn the meaning of this sloka. Ahaṁ, I, vaiśvānaro bhūtvā, becoming the digestive fire in the stomach, prāṇāpāna-samāyuktaḥ, along with the prāṇa, apana, airs, prāṇināṁ, of all living entities, deham āśritaḥ, situated in the bodies, catur-vidham, of four kinds, annaṁ, foodstuffs, pacāmy, digest, I digest. I am the fire of digestion in the bodies of all living entities, and I join with the air of life, outgoing and incoming, to digest the four kinds of foodstuffs. According to Ayurvedic Shastra, we understand that there is a fire in the stomach. We are not talking about that sometimes we hear my stomach burns. That burning is due to seeing someone doing well or progressing nicely in their life. People become envious and they get a stomach burn. And that is not what has been said here. This is a different fire. This fire is used for digesting all the food that gets to the stomach. When the fire is not blazing, there is no hunger. And when the fire is in proper order, one becomes hungry, and also the food scent will get digested. Along with it, the air inside the body causes the fire to glow, namely the prana vayu, which is situated in the heart, and the apana vayu in the organ of exertion. If both these airs blow well, the digestive fire situated in between will glow well as well, and the food placed in it will be properly digested. Sometimes when the fire is not glowing well nicely and the air is not blowing well, then there is an imbalance in the body because of indigestion, which may lead into other complication in the body. Then it requires treatment. The treatment is to balance vata, pitta and kapha. That's just a short background about how things function within the body. Coming back to the sloka, Krishna says that I becoming Vaisvānara Agni, there are 34 different Agnis are mentioned, and one of the Agni is this Agni which helps in digestion. Krishna is saying, I turn the food that you eat into juice and convert them into 7 primary substances, dhatus, which sustains the body, namely rasa, rakta, mamsa, medha, asti, majja, shukra. They are lymph, blood tissues, muscle tissues, fat, bone tissues, bone marrow, and reproductive tissue. The food that we take are classified into 4 types: khadyam, chosyam, lehyam, peyam. That is, that which are eaten by chewing is khadyam, the solid food. That which is taken by sucking is chosyam. That which is licked is lehyam. And that one drinks is peyam. Irrespective of whichever classification the food that we take falls into, everything has to be digested. And that digestion happens by the fire that present in the stomach. That fire is vaiśvānaro Agni. And Krishna says, I am that Agni. I am that fire. For that fire to digest the food, it has to combine with the air, called prāṇavayu and apānavayu. That is what said here, prāṇāpāna-samāyuktaḥ, pacāmy annaṁ catur-vidham. The air within the body is called with different names, but they are all one. Based on their function, they have different names: prāṇa, apāna, samāna, udhana, vyāna. Prāṇavayu is situated in the heart, apānavayu at the sitting place, samāna at the navel, udhana at the throat, and vyāna throughout the entire body. We have discussed about the vayus in detail when we did chapter 4, Sloka 29. Those who are interested can refer to that Sloka recording. So that air is also Krishna. So he is present in the body, in the food, in the fire, and in the air. So the Shakti of the body to be able to eat is Krishna. The Shakti of food that has taste, that Shakti of taste in the food is Krishna. The Shakti of fire to digest, that Shakti to digest that's present in fire is Krishna. The Shakti of air to carry the energy to respective part of the body, that Shakti to carry the food, the juice of the food is Krishna. All the Shaktis are mine. In other words, it is not only that the food that is eaten is Krishna, he is the one who eats, he is the one who digests, he is the one who supplies to all the parts of the body. It is said in the Vedanta Sutra, Shabdadibhyo antapratishtāncha. The Lord is situated within sound and within the body, within the air, and even within the stomach as the digestive force. Something that need to be noted from these slokas that Krishna has narrated in the manner in which he helps us by becoming the 3 elements, earth, water, fire, and also air, by the phrase gama vishya. Earth is indicated. Soma bhūtvā rasātmakaḥ refers to water. Vaiśvānaro bhūtvā points to fire. And prāṇāpāna-samāyuktaḥ refers to air. So he is the earth, water, fire, air, and everything. Without him, we cannot survive. And he is the one who helps us by becoming all these elements. These are Krishna's energies. To summarize, taking the form of Agni, the Jataragni, the digestive fire, he enters the bodies of all creatures, combining with the air called prāṇavayu and apānavayu. It is he who makes the food of 4 kinds that's been consumed by the being to be digested. Now an interesting question comes in mind, that you have been, Krishna, you have been telling in past few slokas that you become the moon to nourish the herb and plants. You become the fire to digest the 4 types of food. So the question is, are you moon, sun, fire, etc., or are you different from moon, sun, fire? In other words, is moon Krishna? Is sun Krishna? Is the fire Krishna? If you say, no, you are different from them, then what is the idea in you saying they are only me? I become moon, fire, etc. Are you speaking about aikyam? Aikyam means oneness. There is no variegations. These questions will be answered in the next important, special and interesting sloka. Ahaṁ vaiśvānaro bhūtvā prāṇināṁ deham āśritaḥ prāṇāpāna-samāyuktaḥ pacāmy annaṁ catur-vidham. Namaste. Hare Krishna.